The same week I got the job. I had 5 job offers, which
Wow.
I told David, I said, David, what am I going to do?
Welcome to Advanced Careers.
A month later, I had my first interview. And I'm not lying about it. I've got no IT background. I had my first interview, and the same week I got the job. I had 5 job offers, which
Wow.
I told David, I said, David, what am I going to do?
At Advanced Careers, we provide you with the skills, knowledge, and experience you need to be successful in your chosen career.
I was recommended to Advanced Careers by one of my friends who had heard about the project management course.
And after the course, I was able to secure my first role within a couple of months.
I wanted to improve my career in terms of my salary and my experience. And I felt that dental nursing, it was time for me to finish that chapter and find something new.
For the first 45 days, everything is class-based, and you will learn the skills and the knowledge that you need to be successful.
In terms of the training I got from Advanced Career, it was very good. I'd gone somewhere else before and I wasn't really satisfied with the training I got. But with Advanced Career, I was really, really happy.
We've discovered a way that we can make you an expert within 4 to 6 weeks, but people don't really understand that. We found a way of learning.
I mean, within the first few weeks of me joining the training, my knowledge in IT improved massively.
I graduated as MSc in project management last year, and I couldn't get the right experience what I was looking for, so I enrolled myself with Advanced Career.
I joined onto the course in November, and by May I was confident and ready to start my new chapter of my career life.
The impact the training has actually had on my career has been huge so far.
Okay, and basically it's involving the student to actually participate from day one. And I believe you had a lot to do during your training. You know,
Yes.
the test cases, the test plan, execution test, bug reports, the defect management system, working with Jira, all of those things, so long as you are involved in it from day one.
After you finish the class-based training, you're then invited onto the work experience program, which is an internship that lasts for 3 months. And over those 3 months, you can put the skills and knowledge that you've learned during your class-based training into practical use.
With the practical experience what I have learned from them, with live case studies plus live projects, it gives me a lot of boost in terms of my confidence level and how to go about for the interviews.
So we've partnered with a third party who have provided us with a series of projects that will allow you to put what you've learned into practice.
The practical experience was in-depth, knowledgeable.
I think the most important thing is that within Advanced Careers, they were using the real life tools, how do I say it? Tools that are used in industry. That was really good.
Upon completing the internship program, you'll then be in a better position to create a CV and professional profile. At Advanced Careers, we can help you with that too. So we can help you build the perfect CV and help you build your LinkedIn profile.
They also help you prepare your CV, which is great because that's what I needed to get my CV out there.
In addition to your CV and professional profile, we can help you and coach you with interviews.
You have great support. If not even from David, the founder of the company, you have other people who have he's successful.
They were really helpful, and I got a lot of advice. Sam, if you're listening to this, you will remember the first day I called you out of the blue and say, please, can you help me? Help me get through this interview. And you didn't even think about it for a second, and you were so happy to help me. Thank you, Sam. Much grateful.
That are always willing to pick up the phone and call you and advise you on what it takes to become a business analyst and what the industry is like, and how you should prepare yourself, and interview questions.
Most of my interview questions was related to the experience I have gained through advanced career.
I started applying maybe in October, and by February I'd already gotten my first business analyst job.
Our success can be measured by the number of students that have come through our programme.
I've recently been offered a job within the NHS as a project support officer, and the training equipped me so well to face this new frontier.
I was dancing as soon as I got my job offer. I believe in myself, put in the efforts, and definitely got into it.
I was able to land my first job maybe like a few weeks after my course.
I am a systems business analyst today.
I am a junior tester, current junior tester, with the help of Advanced Career UK.
After a few months, I secured my first role based on what the training I received in Advanced Careers.
As you can see, most of our students have secured their first role within 3 to 6 months of completing the programme.
I've actually found that starting a new job, some of the things that I've learned has not even been mentioned within the job remit. It's much more easier than I actually thought it would be.
When you transition into the industry, it's not very daunting. You're like, oh, I didn't really use this. It was really good.
And I must also mention the networking opportunity I got from colleague in order to secure a role.
So if you want to take a positive step to securing your next role, or even changing your career, why not sign up today and take advantage of our special offer?
Advanced Career is definitely your right choice. If you want to get into the IT ladder, then please come to David. David is really good. He knows what he's talking about. I've seen it. I've been there, and I can testify.